In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and change fonts on iOS 18, where they actually work and what to expect in the future. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and to explore the new font options, we need to first off go to our iPhone settings. After that, scroll down and go to General. That's where we need to scroll down again, and that's where new fonts option located. And here we can easily find this system fonts option. Once I tap right here, that's where we can see a list of pre-installed fonts as well as the fonts that need to be downloaded. If you see an arrow icon next to a font, tap on it to download this particular font and install it on your iPhone. Once you've chosen a font, here's how to use it. Just open up Mail app, and that's where basically we can use new fonts feature. Now this feature is currently limited to Mail app, and here we can start composing our new mail. If I tap right here, then we can enter some text here, and then we can change its font. If we tap at that icon, after that tap where it says default font, and now we can choose different font from this list. It is sorted in alphabetical order, and that's how we can choose any of them. And now, guys, basically we can send that email to anyone. If we tap right here, then choose a contact, and then all we have to do is just hit add send. And now a couple of words about that feature. Apple has introduced font customization, but it's still in its early stages. Apple may expand font support beyond Mail to other apps in the future, and some apps might allow custom fonts, but system-wide changes aren't available yet. And I think, guys, that this could be the first step towards more UI customization on iPhones. And now you can write down in the comments below, would you actually like to change the font for your entire iPhone? If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.